Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 25th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the generics. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that. Today's topic was errors. In this topic, I'm going to discuss about error handling, what are the errors and those things, right? Okay. First, I will clear my existing code. Okay, now first I am creating a very function called f1, right, and passing some value integer, right. Then we can define some return type here, right, int, and then we can return some value. I am returning x, right. In here, if we want to access the x, how we can access f1, right. Then I am passing 8. Now we can print this, right. These are very simple thing. I am running this one. Okay, now value is 8, right. Now we want to return some value as well as some error, right. Okay, now I am checking if x equal 5, right. I am returning some value like -1, right. And then I want to return some error. Then we want to return multiple values. We have already discussed about how we can return multiple values. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that one as well, right, in my Golang playlist. Then I am returning some error, right. Okay, let's first discuss about what is this error. In here you can see error is a interface, right. Inside that error they have provided some function called error, right. Now you have an idea what is error. Error is an built-in Go interface, right. In that interface there is a method called error. We will use this error in the future, right, in this video, right. Okay, now I am returning some value. How we can return some error here? Errors, right, dot. There are several things right here. First I am using the new errors.New. Then we can pass some value to here, right, pass some message. I am passing can't work with 5, right. This is the error. If we do not have an error, we can simply return a nil value, right. We can return a nil value, right. Then it returns two values, right. First one is x, other one is error, right. And then I am printing x comma error. Error. Okay, I will run this one. What is the output now? Now you can see output is nil because we will return a nil value here, right. Now I will pass 5. What is the output now? It will return the x as -1. Error. What is the error? Can't work with 5, right. This is the way that we can return the error from a function, right. Okay, then we can check like in this is the error handling way, right. If error not equal nil, we can check the if when we are calling to this function, right, if there is error occurred or not, right. Using this if statement we can handle the errors, right. This is also very important. I am printing somewhere like t.println and say there is no error, right. This is the way that we can handle the errors in Go, right. If error not equal nil, right, then we can ignore this, right. Okay, first I run this one. Output is there is no error. In here, sorry, if error equal nil, then we can say there is no error, right. If error not equal nil, we can say there is an error, right. I have used the return value, and then we can ignore or into this println method, right. This is the way that we can handle the errors, right. Okay, now I am creating a struct, right, type error, right. Using this one, we can pass, we can create some random struct to pass the errors, right. First I want to pass argument, right, and as well as I want to pass reason, right, history. Then in here I have said that in the error interface there is a method called error, right. Then I am receiving the arg array as pointer, and then I am going to override the error right here, return some string value. Okay, then return fmt dot first I want to return the argument, and then I want to return the reason, right. E dot r and as well as e dot reason, right. Those things we have discussed in our function related videos, right. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that, right. Then okay, let's print, right. Okay, now we have created the struct, and then override the inbuilt Go error struct error function, right. And then I'm creating another function called f2, and then pass some value here, and then return int as well as error, right. Okay, now we can check if x equal 5, sorry, not x, arg equal 5, we can return -1 address of arg error. First I want passed argument, I am passing arg, and then the reason, right. What is the reason? Can't work with it, okay, right. Otherwise return arg error is what, nil. Okay, now I will comment this out and then call to this f2 function. How we can call to this f2 function? We can create two variable, then call to f2 with 8, right. and then we can print those things, right? X as well as the error. What happened now? There is no any error, right? Now I am passing 5. What is the output now? The X value is -1, and then error is what? 5 minus can't work with it, right? Who created that error? This function, right? Because we already have override the inbuilt Go error function, right? This is the way that we can override the existing error function, right? And also in here also you can handle the errors, right? Like using this if error not equal nil, we can say this thing, right? And avoiding to execute other lines, we can use return. Otherwise we can say fmt.println. There is no error, right? This is the way that we can handle the errors, right? These are things that I want to discuss today, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to channel, right? And please share these things with your friends, because these things are very important when we are learning about the Go related concept, right? Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.